Okay, we're back. Now I'm going to show you something you need to be careful with and how to further build your building. Now we're going to look at, this is apparently a first level and this is a second level, so this is ground floor and this is the first level. See here, niveau 1 means level 1. Alright, let's see where we are at the ground level, because you need to look and you see here it's a little bit lower than ground level, 0.03. That's not too bad. And we're going to look at this. This is an absolute distance. So it says 3.32. It's actually 3 meters and 32 centimeters. And next to this I see 335 centimeters. So which measurement do I need to take? Well, usually these small triangles are absolute measurements. That means if we go from the 0 line to the top, that's 332. And sometimes the building is a little bit lower than the 0 line, and then you have a measurement of the wall itself, and you see here it's 335. Now which one are we going to take? Well, to start with, for this project, we're going to start with the triangles. So to go to level 1, we have 6.65 or 665 centimeters. And the ground level is 332 centimeters. Now let's go back to our SketchUp. First we're going to draw it out to 332 centimeters. I'm going to use the push-pull there. And we go to 300, and how much was it again? 32 centimeters there. Now I want to raise the other part of the building to 665 centimeters, but I first need to know how big that part of the building is. I'm going back to my plan, and I don't see any measurements here. Well, then you need to take another plan, for instance a plan of level 1. Let's see if we can find it. So we go to the folder, we're going to look where is plan for a second level. Well, I see here something. I see that this is smaller, so I think this is the plan of the first level. Well, I'm going to open it. You can download it and you can open it with Foxit. So I'm going to open it with Foxit. There. And now I have my measurements. It's going to be this one. And I need to draw it before I pull all the way to the top. Now, how I'm going to do that? I'm going to look at the measurements again. This is 516 and 580, so that's good. That means that our side wall is just as deep as our original wall, but this wall here is apparently a little bit shorter, see, because our other building goes all the way to here. So we need to be careful. Let's take a look. I see that there is a measurement here, but this isn't the total measurement. I see that there's also a measurement on the second line, and I'm going to look where it goes all the way to, and it goes all the way to the other side. Okay, so it's the second one, and I see here 1702, so 1702 centimeters. So in our next tutorial we're going to pull the first level up, and we're going to use another skill that we are going to teach you.